Hello, everyone. It is Wednesday, September 16th. Yesterday was a busy day. Um, Went to Ann Arbor to work with my main client, and then I had a meeting back at Seed uh, to finalize some things around launch, and so that's going really well. Going to set up a meeting for. So we're doing kind of like a sprint planning meeting beforehand, and want to schedule that for next Friday. So I'm waiting for another developer, make sure he has the time, and schedule that. So that's going really well. Met with the designer yesterday, and then they're going to work on their budgets. It's going to go really well. I'm pretty excited about it. Today, more of the same, going to Ann Arbor for the day, and need to work on Tatsu tonight for sure. I've not touched Tatsu. Um, Got some interesting feedback from the email, the newsletter I sent out. I always like sending those out because I always get feedback. I also send it to all participants in the system, even if they've canceled their account. And the reason I do that is just to let people know if, like, we released a feature that they were waiting for, that they didn't want to use Tatsu for. And yesterday, 2 people signed back up because we released the Observer feature. So that's very exciting. I'm not sure how much of a problem it causes, people that don't sign up. So I want to build like a way to, when you cancel your account, to say unsubscribe me from that. Just haven't had time to do that. So added that to our backlog. That's about it. I want to do a quick show and tell since I don't really have much today. There's this app I use on my phone called, what is it called? It's called Productive. And it's right there. And what it lets you do is it lets you check out, you can create repeating tasks and check it off that you did it for the day. It's kind of like the Seinfeld calendar where, Seinfeld said he writes a joke every day and he crosses it off so he doesn't break the streak. So the cool thing is, like, I have, like, every day I have drink some water. So the first thing I do is make sure the first thing that goes in my body is like 12 ounces of water. So I always use this thing, and I don't know if you can hear it, but it's not completely empty yet. But when it is empty, I check that off. And then you can also set things to happen like a certain number of times a week. So I want to make sure I go to the gym at least twice a week. So I have a one set up. I think you can only do this on the paid version. So there's a free version and a paid version. So yeah, I don't know. It makes a cool little sound like when you do it. So, so I just checked off water. So I'm gonna be doing that. And then it keeps a little tab down here about how many days you've done all your tasks. So I only have like 3 tasks that set up, but it's a really cool app, and actually like makes me do stuff so I don't break the streak. It might be just my OCD, but highly recommend that app. Anyway, that's all I've got today, and I will see you guys mañana. Peace.